Hackathons can be tough. Hackers put in countless hours to build innovative projects, but often they never get the feedback they need to improve. Judges, on the other hand, are flooded with submissions, making it hard to provide detailed reviews. This issue became clear during recent hackathons, where many participants were left frustrated by the lack of feedback and validation. HackAssist solves this problem by creating a streamlined system for both hackers and judges, ensuring every project gets reviewed, feedback is provided securely, and everything is attested on-chain for trust and transparency. HackAssist uses Galadriel AI for efficient project analysis, Lit protocol for encryption, and Sign protocol for on-chain attestations. Excited? Let's check out the demo. The Home tab is simple. Just input any project URL, and anyone can analyze it quickly with Galadriel AI. It gives everyone a chance to dive into a project's details on-chain without needing any sign-in. The Creator tab allows event admins to manage hackathons. Admins can view ongoing events, create new ones, set submission deadlines, and add judges by their wallet addresses, all with an easy-to-use interface. Once signed in with Web3 Auth, using gas-free transactions powered by Biconomy hackers can submit their project. They choose their event, provide their wallet address, and paste the project URL. The submission is sent on-chain and shows up in the Pending for Review section, waiting for judges' feedback. Judges also sign in with Web3 Auth, and the smart contract verifies their wallet for event access. Judges can then view all projects pending for review. With Galadriel AI, judges can analyze the project quickly and securely submit feedback. The feedback is encrypted using Lit protocol and then attested on-chain with Sign protocol, ensuring only the hacker can decrypt and view the feedback. Hackers can check the History tab and verify the feedback. HackAssist bridges the gap between hackers and judges, ensuring projects are properly reviewed and feedback is secured on-chain. Join us in making hackathons a better experience for everyone.